Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. Today's Christmas Day. What a good way to celebrate. Is a way to give gifts to Santa, letters to Santa for Christmas presents, but I didn't put my tree up, so I'm wearing Frosty the Snowman pajamas, so the reason why I'm wearing it is because I'm about to go to sleep, so... And just so you know, I will show you the Christmas decorations. So here we go. See? Christmas decorations in a house. Oh, look, an elevator, like an apartment or something. And a hotel, wow. These look nice, really nice. And I would like to share something else to you. So, what a good way is to look at these elevator buttons. Oh wow, look at these. This is really nice. They do lots of cool things. So, hope everybody has a wonderful Merry Christmas, eat a lot of Christmas food, and God bless you all. Bye, everyone.